Hi guys, guess what these are? Had my grandsons round the other day. They had rather a lot of fun with a blowpipe that we had picked up in Poundland probably last year. But we only had one, so I've 3D printed some more. These are my own design, they're not the same as the Poundland one. The Poundland one's significantly longer. These are 160 millimeters long, 16 centimeters, just because it was a convenient size. I did get it wrong the first time. I made it too perfect to fit, and you just can't blow that out. These are Nerf projectiles. Well, actually, they're probably not genuine Nerf ones. They're probably ones I bought in bulk on eBay at some time or other in the past. For my radio-controlled rocket launcher thing, little truck that goes along, that I converted to wire-controlled, thinking about it. Anyway, I'm waffling. So, first attempt, too small. I did remember to put the crosspiece in so they can't accidentally suck it all the way through and swallow it. Probably see it better on that little test piece there. So that stops you accidentally sucking all the way through. So these ones are the right size. So I had a little bit of yellow PLA left, so I've got one yellow and one orange, so they know whose is whose. And then while I was doing that, I thought, how about changing the colour halfway through? I've never tried doing it before, and it was a fail. If you look at that close, you'll see it really didn't line up at all. I just paused the print, pulled out the old filament and pushed in pulled out the yellow and pushed the orange in. But when it started up again, it's about almost a millimetre out of alignment, certainly half a millimetre out of alignment. So I wasn't very impressed by that. Oh, it still works, but that's not the point. So we'll have a little go, see what we can do. I'm not going to shoot at the camera, even though these do have soft plastic ends, so it should be safe to shoot at the camera up to a point. I have another idea, a different target. I'll see if we can hit the wind chime. Ooh, missed with the second one. And the third one. Just clipped it. We'll have another go. That's a bit weak. So it works. That'll do. I expect I can make the STL files public on Tinkercad. So that'll be in the video description if you want it.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.